standing on existing protocols. My name's Tony Osita Ogana. I'm a lawyer, publisher, and I'm also a community leader. We're calling on you to help create the sixth Igbo state for the Anioma nation. Now let us be clear. What is Anioma? A stands for Aniocha, North and South. Ndokwa, East. Ndokwa, West. I stands for Ika. O stands for Osimili. And of course, Ukwane will always go with the Ndokwa nation. Not many people know that Asaba was the first capital of Nigeria. Not many people know that after the amalgamation in 1914, it was Anioma people that bore the brunt of the Civil War. When, despite the fact that late Colonel Philip F. Young had handed over surrender, the federal troops came into Asaba, our women and men came out dancing with powder to welcome them. And what do we get in return? We got bullets. So we are calling on the 10th Assembly to help wipe the tears of the Igbo nation. We are begging that the state of Anioma should be created. Of all the zones in Nigeria, it is only the Igbo zone that has 5 states. So we are begging you, sir, to do the right thing. Finally, before I sit down, the very first request for states in 1954 was by our people. Till date, that state has not been created. Please help stabilize Nigeria. Help give us the 6th Igbo state. Help make Asiwaju's re-election very, very easy and a walk in the park for the Igbo nation. Give us the state. Thank you, and this is the memorandum. And
Thank you. Okay, my people, you all have heard what that great son from Anioma land said. That man you are seeing there was representing Anioma people during the public hearing in Uyo. Now, let me read out some of the things the man said. He said that Anioma state should be created and should be added to the southeast as the 6th Igbo state. The man is very right in the sense that we Anioma people are Igbo speaking people. We don't speak no other language except Igbo language. Our language is Igbo. Our dialect is Igbo. Our food is Igbo. Our culture and tradition is Igbo. Our dressing is Igbo. Our dancing is Igbo. Everything about us is Igbo. We are nothing but Igbo. And it's expected of us that if Anioma state is being actualized, we are expected to be zoned to the southeast, to coexist with our brothers, to coexist with people that speak the same language with us. Now only Mumu wants make we get Anioma remain for south. Only people who not get sense want make we get Anioma remain for south, because if Anioma people are Fulani people and the southeast are Fulani people, they will want to get Anioma state and be zoned to a region where they have other Fulani people. If Anioma is a Yoruba state and the south is Yoruba, Anioma people will want to join their Yoruba brothers. So we Anioma people, our own will not be different. So if you are from Anioma, whether you like it or not, say you not like them, we Anioma people we go to the southeast. Nobody can stop Anioma state from being zoned to the southeast. He said that Anioma is an acronym, which are Aniocha, Ndokwa, Ika, Oshimili. They were added, and that was how we got Anioma. Mind you, after these 4 regions were added, that Ma means Ma, good. So Ma was added to Anio. That was how we got that name, Anioma. So Anioma means good land. And the names of those regions that were used to get this name called Anioma are all Igbo names. Ndokwa is the combination of Ndosumri and Ukwane. We brought Ndo from Ndosumri, brought Kwa from Ukwane, added it together, and that was how we got Ndokwa, because we are one people. Ndokwa is the name of an Igbo region. Ndosumri means Nde Osumiri, riverside people. Ukwane means great land. Low land is an Igbo word, it's Igbo language. Ika is an Igbo word, it's an Igbo language. Oshimiri is an Igbo word, it's an Igbo language. Nobody will not know the meaning of the word Oshimiri. Oshimiri means river. Only Igbos use the word Oshimiri in this country called Nigeria. Any other tribe that is using the word Oshimiri, they borrow that word Oshimiri from us. So, all this word made up Anioma, and they are all Igbo regions. So, Anioma is complete. We are expected to be with our brothers, the Southeasterners. This is our location. Anioma is Southeast. I always say this thing. So, we're not going to talk, say, because I say we did South now. Say, we not going to join Southeast. Say we did South, don't mean say we not fit join Southeast. Because this place called South. Now, just political creation. There's nothing like South. Though, other tribes where they South, they see the South as their identity, no problem. But we, the Igbo speaking people in South, we want Anioma State to be zoned to Southeast. Make we coexist with our Southeast. Maybe they call us Southeast. Yes. Maybe they call us South. I'm from South. Wait till be South. Allow people that are South to be South. We Anioma people, we are Southeast. There's no two ways about it. In geography, all these South and Southeast, they are all Southeast. Yes, they are all Southeast. But divide and rule, now made them create this South to keep the Igbo race divided. And we Anioma people say no, say we not want time. We want to join our brothers where we belong before we were being divided. Before Nigeria was created, we are not South, we are Igbo people. Before the amalgamation of Nigeria, we are Igbo people. And as we did in Nigeria, we are expected to identify as the Igbos that we are. South is just a political creation. We are Anioma people, are Igbos. We are Igbos, indigenous in this South. He said that Anioma people bore the brunt of the genocide against the Igbos during the Biafra War. He also talked about how Asaba and other Anioma people were massacred. If you go and read history, you will see that Anioma people suffered so much during the genocide against the Igbos. The Southeast suffered also. The only people that suffered during that genocide against the Igbos are Igbo people. When you hear Igbo people, we are not talking about the Southeast alone. We are also talking about the Igbos, indigenous in the South. And that is where Anioma people comes in. We are Igbo people. If to say we not Igbo, we not go suffer for that genocide. We dey South. Urobo people not suffer for the genocide. Isoko not suffer. Ijo not suffer. Ile Ibinu not suffer. Yoruba not suffer. Only Igbo speaking people. That is to tell you that we are Igbo people. All of us dey the South. Why they not kill Ijo people? Why they not invade other tribes with the South? Just Igbo people. Is to tell you that we are Igbos. Anything where the Southeast they face, we still they face them. Even now where we dey South. As they marginalize Southeast, they still marginalize we Anioma people. If Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa contest for presidency, he go contest 50 times, he go fail 2,000 times. He not go smell that seat because he is an Igbo man. Go and try it. If it is an play, go try him. Bring out one man from Okwani land, make he go contest for presidential seat. Make he contest 100 times. He go fail more than 2,000 times because he will never become the president of Nigeria because he's Igbo. If the man like make he talk say not be Igbo person, he not go win. Look at Yeso Wike. All those things why they do, they think say he go end up as president of Nigeria one day. Just they wasting time. He's wasting his time. He go contest for presidency, he not go win. He go contest 500 times, fail 10 billion times because he is an Igbo man. If you like deny say you not be Igbo person, talk say you not be Igbo. As far as say your community, your region is Igbo, you are an Igbo person. You know, you go only they deceive your mumu self. You can't deceive facts. You can't deceive common sense. You can't deceive the truth. Truth pass you. Truth don't dey before they born you. You know why it's reached that place. What's the way so we can they do all this our Ukwana do it they don't be Igbo, then they waste their time. People can say go be like see mumu people see. They're not wasting their time. They are Igbo people. We are Igbos, even if we keep denying it. Because we are Igbos, we are expected to be zoned to the Southeast. As Urobo people then I say they want their own state. If they lie, make the day South, that will not be our concern. And we Southeast don't go want make they join us for our Southeast. Make they day their South. Because we are not one people with them. Them go understand say they are not one people with us. We understand say they are not one people with us. So they go one day they are south. But we Anioma people, we are one people with the southeast. That is why we are expected to get Anioma State and make sure it's being zoned to the southeast where we belong. If we get Anioma State and remain in the south, we are still a minority here. We not go get voice. We will be so weak. That is why we are expected to be zoned to the southeast and be a majority. Population matters. If a Anioma person come and say he want to aspire for any position, the entire southeast go stand by his side, stand for him back. They give a mind, go, we stand by you. That is what we want. One maybe say everything that comes with unity enters Anioma land. He said that the 10th Assembly should grant our request for Anioma State to be created. He said that of all the zones in Nigeria, that is only the southeast zone that has only 5 states. And that what we Anioma people want is Anioma State, and for it to be zoned to the southeast. Very simple. Some Anioma people are saying, let Anioma State be actualized and remain in the south. South already have 6 states. You want make we get Anioma State, make we add them. For south, make it come be 7 states, whereas our brother the southeast only have 5 states. Any Anioma person wey want make we dey for south, if we get Anioma State, that Anioma person is either say they ignorance or you not get sense. Because some ignorant people, if you give them all these facts and truths, they will understand you. No say they go astray. But person will not get sense. No matter what you tell them, as far as you not get sense, you not go understand you. The North, they have so many states, more than 5 states. Southwest have more than 5 states. South have more than 5 states, 6 states. And you want we Anioma people to get Anioma that is an Igbo state and remain in the south, it will never work. Some of our people in Anioma are saying, we don't want to join the southeast. Southeast people should carve out a state from their already existing states to make their state 6 states. People that are saying all these things are the fools we have from Anioma. Those people, I call them Oswai. See, if person call you stupid, that was stupid, not the pain. If person call you Oswai for anyone in the land, now very big insult. People they take and fight. Problem go they committee say you call person Oswai. You know what it be Oswai? A very big insult. That is what I call these people. They are very big Oswai. The Z for the spelling of that Oswai, you know they finish. If they say spell this Oswai, from here reach Bini, all of them are just Z. You know if you write the Z finish Oswai. People that don't have sense. Other tribes are supporting them. Bini people, Yoruba people are telling them, you people are not southeast, so you Anioma people remain in south. That is where you belong. All those Bini people and Yoruba people not get sense. Yoruba people lost Ilorin to Fulani people. So they want the southeast to lose land just like them. And we are here saying no, it will never happen. You want person where they say he don't lose Ilorin don't go. Fulani is trying to take over Yoruba land now, imposing Sharia law on them. They want us to be like them. They want us to be losers like them. They want us to fail like them. But the Igbo unification movement will never allow it. Igbo unification movement, when I just they see and say we dey few. These few people they see here now power. We pass you, they say we pass you. You can't divide the Igbo race. 11 people whose agenda is to claim the entire South and South is saying that we belong to them. They are telling our Anioma people to remain in South. We are saying no, that we will never remain in South. We don't belong to Benin people. We are Igbos and we are expected to be zoned to the southeast and identify with our brothers there. So all these people where they say they not get head, not go fit stop us. Anioma State is a go. Anioma State is expected to be zoned to the southeast. That is what we want. Southeast will never create another state as from their already existing states. No. What we Igbos want is to get our brothers that are outside the southeast to be part of the southeast. That is what we want. The Igbos will never be divided anymore. May Chukwu bless Senator Ned Nwoko for standing up for Anioma people, for trying to actualize what our ancestors have been fighting for. May Chukwu bless the Igbo unification movement. May Chukwu bless Ibanke people. May Chukwu bless the Ika people in Edo State that wants to join Anioma State through boundary adjustment. May Chukwu bless the entire Igbo race. May Chukwu bless the entire Anioma people that want Anioma State to be created and be zoned to the southeast. Igbo Bofu, and we will never be divided anymore. Ishiewale.